Welcome, here I've got SHARP Aquos R2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this one, we can open the advanced camera settings. As you can see here we have the picture and the common settings. So for now let's move to common. And at the third place here we have add location information option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on again as we need. We have also user agreement and it informs us that this option add current location in photo, so let's agree to this. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.